friends. Are you ready to dance in? Clap your hands, move as a soup, our happy AP song.
A is for alligator.
A is for ant, so A is for apple, yummy.
A is for amazing animals.
B is for ball. Bounce it over your head. C is for cat. I love cake and cookies.
D is for dog. Let's all bark now.
I love playing with dinosaurs.
E is for elephant, with a trunk so long.
F is for fish, swimming right along.
G is for garden, where the flowers grow.
H is for happy, from your head to your toe. I is for igloo, made of ice and snow. J is for jelly, watch it wiggle. Go, go, go!
K is for kite, flying in the sky.
L is for lion, a brave and furry guy. M is for moon, shining in the night. N is for nest, tucked away out of sight. O is for octopus, with 8 wiggly arms. P is for piggy, living on the farm. Q is for queen, with a crown of gold. R is for rainbow, beautiful to behold.
S is for sun. Big and bright and yellow.
T is for turtle, a slow and steady fellow. U is for umbrella, to keep us nice and dry.
V is for vegetables, give them a try.
W is for whale, splashing in the sea. X is for xylophone, play a tune for me. Y is for yo-yo,
Watch it go up and down.
spinning so fast. Z is for zebra, the coolest horse in town.